mistaken suckers for fools. They act cool when he stepped to step, but she smiled and she laughed, cause it's funny. Some of them broke, others got money, but they got no style, they just jokes to this wild child. Save your breath, she hasn't rejected you yet, but you never better words end up injecting you yet. You'll be stuck like glue, that's what chumps like you do. She don't like punks like you, don't wanna smoke no blood with you.
She's playing games with you in front of your eyes. She knows exactly how to fool you with lies. She's got you perfect, and all you're spinning to lie. So go on with your own life. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to take real good care of it.
She's breaking the rules. Oh, yeah. Her love's like you fool.
She got people to see and things to do, just not what you think it ain't true. Then why don't you come and bark? Better get a bite from your heart from start to finish. You never had a chance with this young temptress. You gotta dance, don't mean she shares no interest. It's over in the blink, buy her a drink if you insist. Shoot the shit, that's all you get. Memories you can't forget. Tell your friends on who you met. With your girl, pretend she's Steph.
She's playing games with you in front of your eyes. Front of your eyes. She knows exactly how to fool you with lies. Fool you with lies. She's got you bored with her all night while you're spinning to lie. So go on with your own life. Oh, yeah. She's breaking the rules. Breaking the rules.
This is my daughter.
Her love's like you fool. She's breaking the rules. Oh, yeah. Her love's got you fooled.
She breaking the rules. She breaking the rules. Oh yeah, she's breaking the rules.
Barbie and the Barber, Beauty and the Beast, coming together in Times Square. It's great! What a great ending.
Breaking the rules. Yeah. Her love's like you fooled. Oh, yeah. She's breaking the rules. Oh, yeah. Her love's like you fooled. Oh, yeah. She's breaking
Thank you, folks. Our story's over.
Oh, yeah. Her love's got you fooled. Oh, yeah. She's breaking the rules.